Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Acmegrade. So if you actually come over to their website and click on About Us, they're actually, their vision is to empower the youth of today, broaden their horizons, develop them as individuals, and blah blah blah. And all of these are very vague and they don't actually say what they're doing, but they're actually an internship who claims to be an interns or something. So what they actually do is they sell courses online, and as you can see right here, we aim to remove the association between marks and blah blah blah. They say a lot of things, random things here, which all of them are really vague. So let's go to over here, which I found is a post on Reddit. So what this person did is he paid for a course and an internship at Acmegrade, but now he regrets it since he paid 1,000 and he has to pay 2,500 more rupees more by a month or two, or else I don't know. He didn't know that it wasn't worth it, but after reading the comments online, he didn't know what to do. He can I get a refund? Would I have to do the internship forcefully? Blah blah blah. And some people basically said that it's a scam, not an internship. And this person said, who wrote an entire paragraph about it. Basically, I've read this, and basically he said that this company Acmegrade is a scam, and they were forced to lie to students about fake internships because he worked at them for some time. And the work environment was also toxic with long hours, no benefits, and constant harassment, even from women. The company demanded original documents and used them to threaten employees. And the positive reviews on the website is fake. And the 1,000 rupees that this guy paid is non-refundable, though they don't say it that upfront. Okay, that's another red flag. And the reviewer warns students and freshers to stay away. So yeah, if you wanna invest in this course, I advise you to not to invest in them because it's most likely a scam. Most things that sell courses online are a scam. So do take caution and be wise with your actions or your decisions on investing. So yeah, that is it. That is the review on Acmegrade. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.